Nikon hasn't been active in the enthusiast compact camera segment in a while, and for its re-entry, the company has taken an interesting approach. Essentially, it's taken the insides of its interchangeable lens cameras, ILC, and put them in bodies with fixed lenses and more traditional designs. It's created a new DL series of premium fixed lens cameras, launching with two compacts, the DL18-50 and DL24-85, in addition to the DL24-500, a 20x full-size mega-zoom. The two compacts are almost identical with only a few exceptions, most notably the lens, as indicated by the product names. The DL18-50 is the more enthusiast-targeted of the two. You can tell because it has no built-in flash, incorporates the company's nano crystal coat to minimize ghost and flare on its shorter zoom 18-50mm f1.8 f2.8 lens, and at $850, costs $200 more. I don't have other pricing yet, but that's equivalent to £600 and $1,170, directly converted, and a price difference of £141, $276. The DL18-50 stands out from the rest of the class with the widest angle lens available in a compact, which makes it more suitable for architectural photography than most consumer compacts. Nikon includes distortion correction options for that as well. However, at 50mm the lens is already at f2.8, while a lot of competitors zoom out to longer focal lengths at the same aperture, which means they're a little wider at 50mm. Still, it's probably only about 1/3 stop difference, which is pretty minimal. And 18-50mm is a great focal range for street photography, environmental portraits and landscapes. Plus, at up to 20 frames per second with autofocus and auto exposure, it definitely boasts the best continuous shooting specs of its competitors.